What's going on YouTube? Ty with the xking.com hit you with another video. In today's video, I'm going over my Robinhood account. I've been using Robinhood for a good 3 months now, maybe a little bit longer, a little bit less, but around that time period. My experiences with it so far, dividends I've made, and how you can start buying stocks for free and selling for free. So let's get right into it. Now, these are some of the stocks I own. I don't have a ton of stocks. I bought stocks here and there. So I bought, $15 stocks, $12 stocks, whatever. I bought these stocks, here and there. I didn't spend a whole lot of money on stocks. So let's go to my history and let's go to dividends, because you just want you buying stocks for to make money. So NRC is a new residential investment corporation. It's a REIT, a real estate investment trust. And I only own one share, and I'm getting a dividend coming up July 26th for 50 cents. So I bought this for 51. I bought this for $15, and it's made me 50 cents. So that's not a bad dividend. So I should buy more of these. So that's a good one. I bought GE, General Electric Company, and this share, I don't got 1 cent, and a share is $10. I mean, I'd rather buy real estate than this, because, one share is $10, but I get 1 cent back. So it's okay, but I might buy some in the future. My next one is R4 Hospitality Trust, another REIT. And I got 6 cents on that, and that cost $2.82. So I am the stock is very cheap. The average cost is $5.57. So it's up $1.66 today. So it's up. No, I'm sorry, it's down $1.66. So you should buy this today. You should buy some of these. The dividends are very, very high. I mean, for $2, you get 6 cents back, and you can keep investing in that. Also, I have Whitestone REIT. I got paid 95.0, pretty much 10%. Oh, 10 cents. Oh, one share of this, and one share of this is $12. So let's like the first one. The new residential investment is the best one. I get the highest, 50 cents. But the Whitestone is not bad as neither. I mean, if I went ahead and bought, some more stocks, I'll make some more money. So this is what I got so far. This is my dividend payments. I also have a share of the Bank of China. And the Bank of China is very cheap. It's only $10, $11. It's up 21 cents, which is not bad at all. And it's a dividend with this, 5 cents, 5.5. And I got paid 55 cents for this one share, or one share of this. So what I would do, and let's go here. I got a money for this, and my other stuff, Ford is okay. Ford is $10 and you get 15 cents. So Ford is okay. And own an electric company as well. It's very cheap, $1.30. I mean, you get 4 cents. So you could possibly keep buying this and make your money back on one share with dividends. So all these companies are, REITs and companies you can invest in for the future. So what I would do is keep investing in these stocks. I would keep on buying these stocks. Every time I get a paycheck, I'll buy a couple of stocks, some that has a recurring, hold these stocks and keep getting money. Pretty soon I'm gonna start making some really big money with this. So this is just a recap of my dividends paid to me with Robinhood. So if you're interested in getting Robinhood, I'll have a link below this video. If you want to get started buying stocks, free trading, buying stocks, no fees, no selling fees. If you want to get started now in buying stocks with Robinhood, I would suggest you go ahead and start. It's free to start. You could buy a couple of stocks and see how things go. And if you use my link below the video, you also get a free stock as well. So I get a free stock and you get a free stock. No extra cost to you. Pretty much you get something free for using my link. So thanks for watching my video. Read my blog post about this as well, how I like it so far. I'm gonna start investing in more real estate trusts, more GE, more Ford, more companies that I know that I use. And one tip, you should also invest in a company that you personally use. I drink a lot of Powerade Zero. So I should invest in Coca-Cola because they own Powerade. So any company that you buy on a regular basis, if you shop at Kroger or Walmart, Amazon, you should buy those type stocks because you're investing into that company. So with that being said, thanks for watching my video. Please like the video and share the video, and I'll see you next time.